Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Do you know what time it is? It's silver and gold time. Let's get straight into it. If you guys are probably thinking, what the hell's going on with that? What was that, John? Probably about a year ago, maybe longer. I don't know. I started starting my silver and gold videos with that. Silver and gold time. Woo! And I stopped it, right? Anyway, so let's get straight into what's going on right now with the silver and gold. Silver's opened. What's happening with silver right now? Silver's actually open. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Oh no, silver's open. Look, it's dropped. Oh no, that's it. The top's in gold. Oh no, everyone quick evacuate. People that bought gold. Oh my goodness, it's all over. Let's have a look at what's going on right now. So on a short term, guys, on a very short term basis, we can see, well, let's go have a look through here, right? We can see how this level through here was actually a bit of a resistance back here, resistance back here. Now, if I squeeze my chart up, look at this here. Look at her, all right? We're just doing what? This is pretty much overall pattern through here, right? Very squeezing of a pattern. So I personally, on a personal level, would love to see something like this. Yeah, give me this little down bar through here, and then give me like another little down bar, and then give me a big shoot to the upside. I personally would love to see that. Why? Because that would probably be a very nice setup for me. I'd probably like, where's my little trading account? Where's that GOD? Let me buy some call options. And then I see gold ultimately hitting, anyway, the 1900 level. So if we start to break this, guys, I see a very nice move. You know, silver and gold, very nice move coming. I really do see that. Once we start to break above this 1740 level, which I do think is probably likely to happen in the next couple of days, then we're probably likely to see a very nice move to the upside. And it could be quite strong because we really haven't had very strong moves for quite some time. And I do believe we're probably likely to get some sort of a move. If I go back in time, to sort of give you an emulator of what I'm thinking here. Probably something like this here, where we just go up and hit the resistance. Because as you can see, right, once we actually broke what? Once we actually broke this level of resistance, guess what? It ran to the next level of resistance and stopped there. Same for this level here, right? Well, yeah, same for down here, up, right? But this is that resistance level, resistance. Once we actually had a nice breaking, we ran to the next resistance level. I'm just trying to see, where was that? Yeah, so this resistance level here, once we actually broke it, then it ran to this level of resistance up here, which was that level through there, and then it paused for a bit. So let me go back to this point through here. So once we see this, guys, I do see this market's broken up now, had a lot of support through here. Look at this here, 1 support, 2 support, 3 support, 4 support, 5 on the low on this day, and then rallied up. So lots of support there on the silver there. Sorry, gold. Silver right now. What's silver doing right now? Oh, interesting with silver, right? So silver is doing a lot of really interesting stuff right now. And the thing is I see with silver is that, look at this here on a short-term basis. We've been rallying up, and now we have this very sort of weak pullback through here. I would love to see a bit more confirmation that this is likely to move to the upside. And the confirmation is a very nice up bar. Okay, so I would like to see, we are definitely indeed getting this. You see this market broke down, came back up, tested this as resistance, broke down, came back up. Look at it, came down, flushed it, and tested as support. So we're right above this level now. So I'd love to see something like a break above this level here. And we can see, and I'd love to see a very nice up bar breaking above that. If we do get that, then that would be the start for me to run back up towards these highs up the top here, which I do have. What's that level up there? Which is that level through there, right? Yeah, so let me just take this off the screen here. And all I'm doing, guys, is, as you can see, is just analyzing the market for what it's telling me right now. Right now, there's not much going on, so actually we could get a drop down, or we could get a drop up. I think the probability is more up. It's really interesting. The silver, gold, and also indices look like they're probably likely to go for a nice move. And so we go back to the upside through here, right? 19, the $19 level there on silver there. So I do see a very nice move coming in that there as well too. So very, very, very exciting stuff there, guys. On the GDX right now, the GDX is actually running up quite nicely, as you can see. We're probably likely to continue up from here, but just a very nice upward move. As you can see here, we actually had, what's that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up days, and then we went through a rest. We've gone through 1, 2, 3, 4, so there could be a little bit more movement through here, guys. Ultimately, I do see that GDX is likely to continue up. The only issue for me with GDX is that we've seen a massive move on this weekly chart. So that's the only thing that would cause me to one, I'm not in GDX. I am long term. I've been in GDX long term for quite some time now. But for a short term opportunity, I wouldn't be in this market. Therefore, I'm not in this market because this very nice move up. We're probably likely to see a bit of a pullback first, a bit of a resting pattern first before we start to see this thing break. But who knows what's going to happen there, okay? And on the probability basis is that I want to make sure that I'm getting in when I have a really good trading setup, not just because I think it's going to be a good idea. So the GDX, guys, is what we're breaking now. We're probably likely to break up, but again, that weekly chart is bothering me because we've had a very strong move for a while. We need a bit of a rest, right? The market is like an energy field. When the market makes a very nice move in the direction, it's using a lot of energy. Therefore, it needs to pull back a little bit, have a bit of a rest before it goes for another run, right? And just like we're seeing through here, right? Using energy, building energy, using energy, building energy, using energy, and so on and so forth. So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys. Traders, I am running a free training, and on this free training, I'm going to walk you through my #1 trading system for the last 15 years. If you're wondering, what is my trading system? How do I actually trade the markets? What sort of setups do I look for? Then this is for you. See, on this, I'm going to walk you through all the details, but I'm going to walk you through the 3 secrets. The secret #1 is I'm going to walk you through the one thing that took me from $250,000 in debt and almost went bankrupt to actually shifting to actually making money from the markets. I'm going to talk about that one thing. Secret #2, I'm going to walk you through all the steps and all the details to my trading system. I'm not going to hold anything back. You're going to learn all the details to this. So you too, when you leave, you'll be able to see exactly how I trade the markets and what sort of setups I look for so you can start to apply it today as well too. And secret #3, I'm going to show you exactly how and how I trade the markets for only 1 hour per day as well too. So I'm going to walk you through everything through. So if you're struggling with the trading right now, you need to see this. If you're looking for a really high probability trading system that gets like over 90% success rate, then this is for you as well too. And if you're looking for a way to be able to have freedom in your life, but also condense that down with a really good trading system, then secret #3, you're going to love that as well too. So I'm running that free training today. So go to johnsfreetraining.com right now and I'll see you there.